Well, here at Thompson Rivers University, we share a really good relationship with GuardMe. We've been using GuardMe as our insurance provider for years, and the service has been nothing but top notch. As on the marketing side of the house, we like to be able to advertise to students when they come to Canada. They'll have a very easy process and things will be very simple for them. On the student services side of the house, we want to make sure that our students have top protection, and if something does happen while they're here, that the claim will be easy to process and the company will be easy to deal with. And those are all things that GuardMe provide for us. It's just a very, very simple process for our students to get insurance upon arrival. And then when we do have a student, say, have a little accident snowboarding or skiing and maybe hurt their arm or leg, we've never had any problem filing a claim. The service is quick, prompt, and our students are taken care of very well. It's one of those things, the best way to do business, I find, is when you really don't have to deal with anything. It just kind of happens by itself. With GuardMe, the processes that they have in place, it's kind of one call, one email, and things are taken care of. The service they provide is very personal. We know someone who we can call by name at any time. Their support is always there. So for us, it's just a very, very simple process. So it's almost, you never really hear the name GuardMe come up in the workplace because it's a non-issue dealing with them. Any of our staff are able to take care of situations by themselves. And myself as director, I never have to get involved in the process because it's just so smooth, and that's how I like to work. Well, basically, when we have an orientation and a new international student intake, they can be fairly large. In our September intake, we can take up to 500, 550 students. So basically, upon arrival, we give GuardMe a list of all our students that are coming. They're automatically insured upon arrival. So it's a very smooth process. And you worry sometimes about things happening, say, within the first day or two of arrival, and there can be kind of a lag in the coverage. But with GuardMe, we have immediate coverage. All our students are covered up until the time when, in British Columbia, they can move on to our provincial insurance scheme with the government. So basically, all of our international students upon arrival are immediately covered with GuardMe. I think in the international education sector, we all know we're very, very busy people. There's students to deal with, there's often agents and parents and all of these things to deal with. We don't want to be spending time having to work with an insurance provider. And if you're looking to streamline your workflow, to keep things simple, GuardMe provides an excellent ability to do that.